Hey Chris, what are we doing in here today?
We're doing physical challenges for young men.
And what are we gonna be putting up there?
Something physically challenging for old men. Pull up bar, hanging bar. So we thought the concept of a diaper party is a relatively new thing. And unfortunately, the common mentality is that it needs to be like a baby shower. Nobody wants to be at a baby shower. The people at a baby shower don't want to be at a baby shower. Playing
Agreed.
games. So we're trying to come up with some cool stuff that'd be challenging for guys. Guys like doing team stuff and competitive things. So just coming up with a bunch of ideas to challenge the guys and give them something to remember. So hopefully make it a memorable party.
So what is it exactly we're putting together right now?
We are putting together a very expensive hanging bar made with 1 inch black pipe.
Mm-hmm. We got the laser level hooked up, and it's gonna be put on this beam. And we've got all our parts on the table, and we're getting ready to do the assembly.
How stooped is it? Let me see any pokes. Go ahead. No. All right, hold on. Hang on again. You bought my back. I got you with that.
Oh, thank you. Feel good in your lower back?